Hi, welcome to Platform Mastery. In this video, I will show you how to create loading screen. Click here and select ellipse. And then, adjust by doing this. Just drag these small circles here. It should be look like this. Next is we'll give it a color. Click Fill here and choose Color. Click this, select Angular. And then, select this object and click here. Let's rename this. Copy this and paste it. Click this add sign. It should be 4 circles here. Change the property name into 1, 2, 3, and 4. Let's adjust the rotation of these objects by adjusting the angles of each object. And then, by clicking the prototype here, we can adjust the interaction and scroll behavior of the object, like giving it a circular movement. Connect this to the next object, and click after the delay of 1 millisecond. Change Instant to Smart Animate. Adjust the ease out to 150 millisecond. Repeat the process until all objects are done. Connect the last object to the first object. Select here after delay of 1 millisecond and choose Smart Animate. Select all, make a new frame. Go to Assets, drag our spinner to the frame. Click on Play button here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button and don't forget to hit the notification bell so that you get notified for our new upcoming videos. See you next time!